So when it first opened, we were like super stoked because we've been like waiting for a really long time, and just seeing it like from the bottom go up, it was really cool. Something that I was really excited about was the sim lab. It's actually modeled after a real hospital. So like the nurses station, the individual patient rooms, it was really cool to see all that.
It's absolutely amazing. I'm currently a fourth semester nursing student, so we've been kind of scattered around as they've been building it. So this is our first semester actually in it, and it has been life-changing already.
I want to thank and commend Dean Harper and the entire nursing staff and faculty for all the great work that you do daily. And I want to thank our outstanding students who are receiving a great education. Their future is even brighter with this new expansion.
This $32 million, 72,000 square foot expansion of this nursing space is magnificent, and indeed it is. But it's what will take place here that is so important. It's the future that is so important.
With this building, we are ushering in a new era in nursing education, research, and clinical practice, harnessing innovations and technological advances to engage students, promote active learning and teamwork, and encourage research and practice collaboration. This building is about our students and giving them access to world-class learning facilities, technology and study spaces. It's about giving our faculty, scientists, and scholars the ability to work collaboratively across missions and academic programs like never before.
Working both with the simulation activities and skills labs, I truly appreciate all the new building has added to foster the learning of both graduate and undergraduate students.
Now I get to see this beautiful expanded building, a magnificent space fitting for a school of this caliber. As it always has, this school will continue to educate and prepare the next generation of nurse leaders, faculties, and scientists. Only now, it'll be able to utilize the newest technologies and spaces inside this remarkable building. I can only imagine what Dean Harper and her team will accomplish going forward.